Okay, so the foam roller wall arm slide here, the idea is we're trying to get length into your lats and your serratus, and we're trying to make sure we keep the rib cage down, so we don't want to be lifting the chest up. All right, so we're trying to get length all the way through the mid-back. So we're set up in a kind of standard stance facing the wall. We've got the foam roller at chest height, and the secret to this is to keep the elbow inside the wrist. Okay, if the elbows flared out at all, we're going to start internally rotating. We want to pull those elbows in nice and tight. I've got my hips into extension, I'm breathing into the abdominals, and we shouldn't see a change in the shape in the back here at all as you slide up. So elbows tuck in, we're going to slide that roller up the wall as high as you can, and you can start to lean in a little bit, just to promote a little bit more extension. We're sliding up the wall, we're letting the wrists come outside the elbow, keeping the hips in extension as you reach in. Okay, elbows tucked in, wrists outside the elbow the whole way. Okay, now push the knee into the roller and lift the foot again. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Foot goes down, and then windmill back round to the start with a hand.
The big thing with that